Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how do we save our Instagram live video on our phone by just go into the Instagram application. And after we open the Instagram application, we just need to take a look on this bottom side here and go into our profile. On this profile, let's go into the setting and privacy by click these three straight lines and go click setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy section, you just need to scrolling down until you found a archiving and downloading. Just need to click it, and after that, if you want to save the Instagram live video into your phone, you just need to make sure that save live to archive is in active mode. Active mode will be signed by a blue color. So if this button in a black or gray color, it means that this features is in off, but if you want to turn on, just need to click it to change from gray into the blue color. So if after the save live to archive is active, we just need to start a live video by just clicking this plus button, and after that you just need to choose a live. Okay, so you just need to start live by click the symbol. Okay, now we are already alive, so you just need to share everything you want, and after you're done doing the live, just need to go back, and after that you click end now, and you just need to click a discard video. Okay, so how to download our previous live? So we just need to go into the straight line here, and after that go click archive. In this archive option, you just need to click it to explore and the other option and go into the live archive. Now you can find a live archive here. This is the live that you already do before, and you just need to click download to download this live video into your phone. So that's all the way how we download a live video into our phone. If you find that this video is get you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.